If you click on this video, I certainly have a message for you or a healing. I am here on this planet to help you activate your dormant DNA. And most importantly, I am here to help you transmute your traumas, your fears, your addiction. And it's all coming from the same. I'm hearing the curse placed on your family also. It's all coming from a place where during the shock of the traumatic emotion experience, an entity, a demon, a dark force penetrated your system and absorbed your light and controlling your system since. We're talking about something that is manipulating your mind, that is controlling you, responsible of your fears, your addiction, everything that is not aligned with your mission. The goal, 111 on the timer, of this dark force is you not to be aligned with your soul mission, absorbing your light for you to be tired, exhausted, for you not to fulfill your mission. This video is extremely powerful and it will be part 1 today and part 2 tomorrow. I feel connecting to you. You clicked because you're suffering since very long time of cold and hot emotions that has wasted your life. They call it auto-sabotage. I'm calling it, even if you have the envy, the motivation, the will, there is always something that is coming to ruin. Why? Because this entity, this demon, this dark force following you since you were a child, penetrating your system when the shock happened, knowing your strength, knowing your weakness, acting from a place of dark agenda, following dark agenda. Knowing exactly what is triggering you. When people are going to trigger you, they're going to activate some distorted thought in your mind for you to lose control, for you to stress, for you to become addicted to something because you're scared. And when you're scared, they can siphon your light. I am here as a nurse angel, and my mission, it took me a while, obviously. They ruined my life, obviously, because my mission is obviously extremely important as a light worker, as a light leader. I am here to spread the light as an ambassador of the light. Not everyone is happy about that. So it might help a soul, multiple souls, 1,000. I'm praying for this video to find you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing, because the world needs to hear these kind of messages that I'm channeling from the Most High. I want you to drink plenty of water because I want to connect to God, Source. Today, I will go straight to Archangel Michael and Source today with my stellar family, your guides, your spirit team, for you to get the most out of this session. I want to help you transmute this shock, this trauma, this pain that you carry, because it allows them to manipulate you, and I stand against that. I am here on this planet to help you retrieve your soul fragment, your power. I am here to help you align with your highest timeline. Therefore, we are here to burn them with the sun. Richie, if you are watching this video, I'm sending so much love because you're in my thought right now. Pekarene susukuro wana manaya tere iyo kokonaraya ke susuma. And obviously it's not by random that you pop up on my phone today. You're highly participating to this session with the highest and best good of all. Atara ekara ondoro uwaka asara enere eokoruya. Take a deep breath in, close your eyes if it's not already the case. Antara ekata uwa osu umatata ea 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 ea. Thought, Emerald Tablet, Chamber of Amity, Akashic Record. We are going to open the book to find out what happened, when it happened, where it happened, and we're just going to transmute with the violet flame. Archangel Zadkiel, Ascended Master Saint Germain, help me, dragons of the violet flame, please transmute for collective this trauma. Allow them. Allow them. Allow them. Mary Magdalene and your dragon, thank you for assisting me now. Atlantean Library. I am hearing that the dragons of the violet flame are going... I cannot make this up. The dragons of the violet flame and the library, the cosmic Atlantean library, and the great crystal of Atlantis, are going to help you transmute. And by next new moon, it's going to be out of your system. Until then, focus on love. They can't penetrate your system. Check my website if you want to dig deeper. And I'll see you tomorrow for part number 2. Sit your belt. Until next time, namaste.